So we're back with Millie.
Hello.
This is our second video, isn't it? And last video we done forward bay parking, which I thought you done really well. If you want to watch the video, it's at the top, and it's also going to be in the description below. So if they want to catch it out because they've never seen you before. Now what I want to talk about today is your theory test.
Right.
So it's booked. What is it booked for?
11th of April.
Oh, you're talking the date, aren't you? It's 11th on the date. Now, wasn't there a problem getting it booked early?
Yeah.
Because we live in Milton
nightmare.
Keynes, up there. And what was the original date you booked it for?
When they had availability, it was like June, July time.
June, July.
Very far away.
Yeah, and we had to go to a different area, didn't we? Where's it booked now?
Luton.
Luton. It's the next month.
Yeah.
Next month, yeah. So that's what the reality is now. When you start your driving lessons, you don't want to hang around. Look at your theory test. Look at don't kind of think that in an ideal world you would study and then take the test when you're ready. But because of COVID, you need to start thinking about booking a test in advance. So I'd advise anyone to go online and see what the waiting times are for the tests in your area.
Yep.
You're doing the study on the theory?
Yeah, literally I was doing it at school earlier.
How are you getting on?
Doing quite well. I got the two or three tests I did, I got enough marks to pass. So
Excellent.
we're getting there.
Excellent. So you're feeling quite positive? At the moment in Milton Keynes, the driving tests are coming out with July.
Getting later.
Getting later. So when you pass your theory, which you better do,
No pressure.
then we look at booking your driving test. And if it's end up being July, August, that's where it is. But then we can look at bringing it closer. Is there any questions you want to ask about the theory?
No, I'm quite happy with the theory currently.
All right. If people are not sure about the theory, I'll put some information below for you about how to book the theory test, what website you want to do. What does it cost now to book the theory?
Oh, 20 something, I think. Wasn't too much.
Is it £23?
I think it was 23 or 24, I think.
Yeah, it used to be £23, but I think they put it up to about £23.50, but I might be wrong. If people know the exact price, put it below. And if you want to ask Millie questions, we could do a questions and answers video with Millie, can't we? So if you want to ask her questions how she getting on with the driving, then put the questions below and I'll put it on the next video. Or if you ask her how she has getting on with me, or whether she hates me, or then you can ask that as well. Okay, good luck with driving, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.
Goodbye.